If you've been searching for jobs online and came across JobCase.com, you're not alone. It's been getting a lot of attention as a platform that promises to be more than just a job board. It claims to be a social media-style network built for the workforce, offering job listings, resume-building tools, career advice, and an active community of job seekers and workers. But is JobCase actually legit, or is it just another flashy site that overpromises and underdelivers? We took a close look at its background, credibility, and what real users are saying. JobCase has been around since 2015 and partners with some well-known employers, which gives it some credibility. It offers quick-apply job options, community discussion boards, and resume help, which can be useful especially for entry-level and hourly work. However, not everything shines. Some users report getting irrelevant or outdated job listings, repetitive notifications, and a lack of advanced filtering tools compared to other job sites. While the community aspect is unique and can be motivating for some, others find it cluttered and not very helpful. On the safety side, JobCase doesn't require sensitive data to get started, which is a plus, but be cautious when clicking on links that lead to external postings. Overall, JobCase is not a scam, but it's also not a game changer. It may serve as a decent supplementary tool, especially if you're just starting your job search or looking for basic opportunities. But don't expect it to replace more established platforms like LinkedIn or Indeed. Whether it's worth your time depends on what you're looking for. Just go in with realistic expectations.